Have you ever imagined controlling your home's privacy without touching a single curtain? Owning a window that gives you bright sunlight in the morning, then transforms into a fully opaque privacy wall in the evening with just a tap?
Turning dreams into reality.
At Handesly, we see smart glass as one of the greatest transformations of the 21st century in construction. We're not talking about tinting or shading, we're talking about nanotechnology that rearranges the particles inside the glass instantly when an electric current passes through. But is this glass safe? Does it consume a lot of electricity? And how do you run wiring to a piece of glass that moves? Today, we'll decode smart glass technology for 2026. We'll talk about PDLC technology, the difference between it and electrochromic glass, and the cost per square meter, which may surprise some but delivers major value in return. Get ready. Your concept of a window is about to change forever. How does smart glass work? The PDLC physics. The secret lies in an ultra-thin layer called PDLC, or polymer dispersed liquid crystal. Off state. When no electric current is applied, the liquid crystal molecules are randomly scattered, diffusing light and making the glass appear frosted white, blocking visibility while still allowing soft light through. On state. As soon as a small electric current is applied, the molecules align in an orderly way, allowing light to pass directly, making the glass fully transparent, like regular glass.
Response speed. With 2026 technology, the transition happens in less than 100 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. Types of smart glass. Factory versus retrofit. There are two main ways to get this technology. Factory laminated glass. The smart film is sandwiched between two layers of tempered glass in the factory. This is the preferred option at Handesly because it is fully protected from moisture and scratches and lasts for decades. Retrofit film. If you already have existing glass, you can apply a smart film on top of it. It's cheaper and easier to install, but requires careful cleaning since the wiring is exposed at the edges. Tinted smart glass. It is now available in colors like gray and bronze to match modern villa facades. Best applications inside your home. Where should you use smart glass? Open bathrooms. The perfect solution for hotels and modern villas. It creates a sense of openness and instantly turns into a privacy screen when needed. Exterior facades. It eliminates the need for bulky curtains that collect dust and hide architectural beauty. You can even program it to turn opaque automatically when indoor lights are on at night.
Home offices. If you work from home, smart glass gives you instant privacy and visual separation from the rest of the family with a single click. Electrical integration, wiring and control. The biggest challenge at Handesly is hiding the electricity. Transformer. Smart glass does not operate directly on 220 volts. It requires a transformer to step down voltage to 48 volts or 60 volts to ensure complete safety, even if the glass breaks. Cable routing. Coordination with the aluminum contractor is essential to create hidden paths inside profiles to run wires from the glass to the ceiling, where the transformer is concealed. Smart control. It can be connected to a smart home system, a standard wall switch, or even a motion sensor that turns it opaque automatically when someone enters the room. Energy use and safety. Is it expensive to run? The answer might surprise you. Low consumption. 1 square meter consumes about 5 watts when in transparent mode. If your facade is 10 meters, that's only 50 watts, less than a small fan. Water safety. At Handesly, smart glass is sealed with special non-conductive silicone, making it completely safe for use in shower enclosures. UV protection. In both transparent and opaque states, smart glass blocks more than 98% of harmful UV rays that damage furniture and fade carpets. Lifespan and maintenance. How long does it last? Leading global manufacturers guarantee over 80,000 to 100,000 switching hours.
That means if you switch it 10 times a day, it can last more than 20 to 25 years. Key maintenance tip at Handesly. Avoid strong chemical cleaners, like ammonia, directly on the edges, and always use microfiber cloths to maintain the clarity of the internal film. Cost and value, the investment perspective. Why talk about dollars? Because smart glass is still considered a premium product. The cost is around $200 to $300 per square meter. If you have a 4 square meter window, you'll pay around $1,000. It may sound expensive, but at Handesly, we calculate it differently. You save the cost of motorized curtains, gain more usable space, achieve a priceless architectural aesthetic, and increase your property value by at least 5 to 10% thanks to its technological edge. Remember, technology is no longer an add-on. It has become part of the building's DNA. Smart glass is the perfect solution for those who want to enjoy sunlight without sacrificing privacy. Make your windows as smart as your home. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we'll move to the most important energy source in our region: solar energy for homes. Is it worth the investment in the Gulf and Egypt? And how do you calculate the number of panels you need? Thank you for watching Handesly. See you in the next video. Let's make your homes smarter and more beautiful.
Turning dreams into reality.